In this video, we're going to talk about torque settings on your drill. You need torque to drive your flexible shaft because this affects the performance of your chains. But too much torque could cause damage to your flexible shaft, like this, or even this. These shafts have been damaged because the torque limiter on the drill was not set correctly and the flexible shaft was not lubricated. Let's say, for example, you are descaling a pipe at 1000 RPM and all of a sudden the chain catches a solid obstruction. The chain stops instantly and the power stored in the flexible shaft is immediately transferred from the chain through the shaft which is connected to your drill. If the torque limiter is set too high, the drill will spin around at 1000 RPMs and you risk the possibility of hurting yourself. If you're holding that drill really tight, the sudden action could either kink or snap your shaft. To prevent this, set your torque limiter to the lowest possible setting, like this. On my drill, the lowest setting is number 1. I have confirmed this because I can hold the drill trigger to engage the drill and at the same time hold the rotator shaft socket in my hand and prevent it from turning further. As you can hear, the torque limiter is engaged. Now that I know what the minimum torque limit is, I can increase the torque setting slightly until I get the chains turning nicely and do not hear the torque limiter engaging. This means that the chains are doing their job, but if they are stopped suddenly, the shaft won't be damaged. For this drill, my best setting is number 4. You will notice on the top of the drill there is a gearbox setting. Setting number 1 is for low speed and high torque, and setting number 2 is for higher speed and medium torque. Personally, I choose the lower speed and the higher torque setting on the drill's gearbox, but I keep the torque limiter setting low. The reason for this is because a higher speed does not necessarily mean that the chains will perform better. So now you know a bit more about torque settings. Please remember to lubricate your shaft. We have another video on our channel that will help you with this. Feel free to like and subscribe and all that jazz. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to get in touch, and we're always happy to be of benefit to you. Have a super day. Ciao.